All right. Um, I've been waiting for this to set up something to move down. I'm trying to think about this for a second. Um, my first gut instinct is to want to get in and go for it right here. Just reach, green bar reach, red bar engulfing. Um, Gives me protection of $0.50 for stop, potential add up near this pivot here. So the thing is it's been consolidating. So what's to tell me if it wants to move back down? My instinct says it's going to, but is it worth the risk? So let me think about it. Um, if I add, then that's risking a hole. If I add up here, then I'll be risking more. How much do I trust the $0.50? It's supported here. I mean, it's kind of a support here, but I don't really trust that giant thing either. So got about not very long to test my thought to decide here. So am I just being jumpy? Am I just being overprotective of a last winning trade, not wanting to lose? Yeah, I think I'm gonna jump in. Oh, of course. All right. Well, just a hair too late. Um, so I'll wait and see if another gap shows up that I can use. If if I use a gap entry, I have a much smaller stop. I'll just drop it right there. Currently gap is really small. I actually want my limit button because the gap touches are fast if they happen. So what I'm looking for is a little touch up into this gap. Oops, wrong button. Alt 2. There we go. Okay, so there's a limit order for trade number 10 idea. I missed my opportunity with the reach. And maybe depending on what this one does, I'll just wait for a structure break instead of trying to get in on this spot here. Because it's still in consolidation in a way, so it's more of like a range play. Um, so some feelings coming out there of just wish I didn't hesitate, trusting myself a little bit more. Um, so there's that. I have to work on dealing with that. But I also think it's okay to be aware of my tendency to want to just jump in to not miss something. Um, so I'll keep that in mind. Um, all right, I'm going to cancel orders and reconsider here in a bit. Because while it did move down right away, I'm not yet convinced. Maybe what we'll see is a touch of the half and then a change in structure, maybe even liquidity rate up here. So I'm gonna wait on that. If it continues down, that's fine. I'll deal with how I feel about that as it comes. So there's that. I'll wait.